Samsung is gearing up to make waves in the smartphone market with the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. Leaks have started to reveal some exciting details about the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra, both of which promise to redefine premium smartphones. These upcoming devices are expected to launch in January 2025, and the new renders give us a glimpse of what's in store, showcasing sleek designs and top-tier features that are bound to impress. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be the standout of the two, boasting an impressive design with a shift from aluminum to titanium. This change not only enhances the durability of the device, but also gives it a more premium feel. The display, which is a 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED, will feature a nearly borderless design with symmetrical bezels that seamlessly merge into the frame. Protected by Corning Gorilla Armor glass, the screen offers durability without sacrificing elegance. The display will have an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 to 120 Hz, delivering smooth visuals whether you're gaming, streaming, or scrolling. Inside the Galaxy S25 Ultra, we'll find Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, built on a 3nm process. This powerful processor ensures excellent performance and efficiency, enabling smooth multitasking and the ability to handle demanding apps. The phone will offer up to 16 GB of random access memory, RAM, and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB. Whether for casual use or running intensive applications, the S25 Ultra is designed to perform seamlessly. For photography enthusiasts, the S25 Ultra brings a remarkable camera system. It's expected to feature a 200-megapixel primary sensor with optical image stabilization and adaptive pixel technology, capturing incredibly detailed images. Accompanying this are a 50-megapixel ultrawide lens and two telephoto lenses, one with 3x optical zoom and the other offering an impressive 10x optical zoom. For video, the device will support 8K recording at 30 frames per second and 4K recording at 120 frames per second, setting a new benchmark for mobile content creation. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will also impress with its battery and charging capabilities. It's expected to include a 5,000 mAh battery that promises all-day use. For quick power-ups, it will support 45-watt fast charging, meaning less time spent plugged in and more time enjoying the device. Running on Samsung's One UI 7 based on Android 15, the phone will offer a smooth and user-friendly interface. Additionally, Samsung is promising 7 years of software updates, making this phone future-proof. While the S25 Ultra takes the spotlight, the Galaxy S25 Plus is expected to offer similar premium design and performance, though with fewer advanced features. This model will be ideal for users seeking a balance between premium aesthetics and powerful performance at a more accessible price point. Connectivity will also be top-notch on both devices. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will support Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and advanced 5G connectivity across both millimeter wave and sub-6 GHz bands. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256 GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512 GB and 1 TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3 in production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, Herna offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans, or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultrawide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultrawide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16 GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.